What's up to all those alone in the zone? Back again. The dude that shine when I outline John Eli Lopez on a mission to get you one step closer to being the king or the queen of the pencil. And today I'll be showing you easy to do bubble and block letters. Okay, so let's get started. The lines that I put here is just a guide so you to keep the letters straight. You can do it freehand, but as you see, I'm just writing the letters out. Make sure your C, your E, the F, your G, your H, J, M, N, S, U, V, W, Y, and Z has some space so you can add the outline around it. But you can write the letters in your own style. That's why I'm writing them out first, just to show you that everyone's bubble letter will come out in their own way of writing, right? So we're just gonna go from A to Z here, just gonna begin outlining. And remember, we did the value scale before. One of my first videos, I covered the value scale. When you're writing your letters, do not go too dark because you want to keep them light because they will be erased. Your outline, I'm just doing it dark, but you can sketch that out too until you're happy with it. And then you erase the inner line. Try to keep everything with a curve to it, as you see. And the space between, I'm keeping everything circular. Everything is small circles. That's the key to bubble letters, trying to keep it in that bubble form. The highlight effect on the letters. So think of it like the end caps are circular. I know a lot of people, struggle with bubble letters. So I hope this guide that I took you guys through was easy to follow and kind of inspired you all to try your own. Remember, I use definitive outlines, but if you really are having a problem with that, remember, just take the pencil and sketch it out and just go for it. And there you go. My letters are done. Now I'm going to show you how to do block letters, keeping the same way I wrote out the letters. Freehand, just wrote them out. I'm going to show you that you can use the same letters that you wrote out to have different style letters. The way you write it out, just think of that as your guide. That will be guiding you, right? Your skeleton is actually like the structure of your letters. So this time, I am keeping my outline straight edge, squared off caps. The top of the ends of each letter will be squared off. That is the main difference between block letters and bubble letters, is your end caps. Another difference is the openings of each letter will follow the shape of what you wrote out. Just smaller versions of it. Definitely use the A if you look at the A and the B as an example. So as long as you just make them that shape, even the P, you'll stay away from having that bubble letter look. So if I had to choose one that's closest to the way you write the letters, the way letters are written, I would say it is the block letters. So one of the main things is just making sure your letters have enough space for you to outline them. And there you have it. We are done. I'm just going to add a little highlights here. So yes, we're at the final stretch of these letters here. Just remember, as you get more comfortable doing this, you'll be able to add your own style, your own flair to the letters you are doing. You know, this was what I found was, you know, you should be able to try both, the block letters and the bubble letters. You know, as you move on, you do your name and you do other type of things with it. Like inking your outlines after you're happy with your pencil sketches. That will be a step up. So there you have it. Once again, easy to do bubble and block letters. Now see if you could knock them out. Of course, you know, if you guys enjoyed this video, if you got any value from it, karate chop that subscribe button, hit the like, get back at me in the comments. Any feedback is appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you. Y'all be safe. Until next time, John Eli Lopez signing out.